Good morning, class. Welcome to your Lesson 3 overview for Unit 4 Abstract Sculpture. This is your final overview for your final unit, so please pay close attention so you know how to complete your last lesson with accuracy and earn the most amount of points as possible. All right, so your learning goal is to create an abstract sculpture in the round that is structurally and visually balanced. You've already started that last unit, and then you submitted the photo, or no, I'm sorry, not last unit, last lesson, and you submitted your photo for your peers to review. In this lesson, you'll be making revisions based on their feedback, and then basically finishing it. Again, most importantly, making sure it is structurally and visually balanced. For your central question, we're asking ourselves, how do artists collaborate to further the creative process? This will be discussed further in the vocabulary video below. But make sure that you are really taking that in, because that is worth 10 points in your learning log at the end of the unit. Lastly, your last two vocabulary words are design and movement. So moving forward, as always, watch your Lesson 3 vocab video. That gives you the answers for your entrance ticket. Complete all 3 questions for 3 points. You're answering what is a design, what is movement, and how do artists collaborate to further the creative process. So this basically is your entrance ticket for the learning log, as you see up here. So this really is kind of like a practice, but if you really kind of hit the nail on the head, so to speak, you really get it 100%, you can always just copy and paste it to your learning log, so you don't have to retype it. And then as far as the last couple things, watch the Lesson 3 instructional video to instruct you on how to finish this project, what you need to do in more detail. And lastly, in that video, it'll discuss attaching a photo of your progress since Lesson 2. That shows your project nearly finished. If it is finished, that's fine, but if it's not, it is okay. But make sure that you have the revisions made based on your feedback from your peers that were given in Lesson 2. And then submit that to the Lesson 3 progress photos. Remember, you're sending me you're attaching that photo of your sculpture, whether it's finished or not, and then I will look at it. I will give you feedback. I will say, this is great, submit it to the final. And if that's the case, you would then also submit it to the final project. And then your materials, of course, are the clay, sculpting tools, and water. The water will help smooth out the craftsmanship, make sure you get rid of any bumps and cracks that are visible, and or just polishing it up, making it look nice, really improving that craftsmanship. All right, with that said, the navigation is as follows. You have the vocabulary video below once you exit out of this video. Then you have the entrance ticket, answer that. Then you have your instructional video. And then lastly, just submit your progress photos for my feedback. And as always, I show you where to submit your final. Please make sure you submit your final projects here. That is where I assess you for 100 points, not here. This is just where you get that last feedback from me. And then please make sure you do your learning log. As always, these are worth 26 points, where you match the definition of words for your vocab, you give an artist statement on creating your project, and lastly, answering that essential question. All right, guys, that's it for me. I look forward to seeing how your projects have come along. Sorry for sliding the screen everywhere. And I will see you shortly in the lesson vocab video in class. All right, let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys all soon. All right, bye.